better. Hey guys, what's up? This is Gerard with Cemetery Confessionals. It's definitely been a hot minute. Took a break. Wanted to stop for a little while. But I'm back. And it's gonna be back. Yeah, it is gonna be back. Right now, I'm in just a small little cemetery right by my house. I thought this was so close, and I figured just why not? Why not try something? It's definitely been a while, but we're in a nice little forest. Actually, this is right by a nature preserve, so I'm hoping to see what I can get here, hopefully. I'm thankful to the spirits that allowed me into their home and allowed me to talk with them. It's really nice to just sit down and talk, especially when you're in someone's home, and hopefully we can catch what we catch and see what happens. So, I have here, sitting on this grave, a device which allows spirits to talk and to let me know if they're here or not. Hopefully, let's turn this on and have a conversation, because I would like to talk with them if they're allowing. And yeah, let's try something. So I'm gonna turn this on here. Hello, spirits. My name is Gerard Kennedy. First things first, I'm thankful that you guys let me into your home like this. I'm grateful that you guys have let me to talk with you guys for at least a little bit. Do you guys wish to say anything that you guys wish to communicate? I mean you guys no harm at all, and I'm thankful that you would allow me into your home like this. I'm grateful. I bring no ill will, and I have no fear for you guys. I come in peace, and I bring harmony, and I wish to communicate with you guys for as much as you're willing. Can you say you guys' names for me? I would greatly appreciate some sort of sign. Pulling out my phone. Got the Necrophonic app right here. So if you guys wish to talk. Hi guys. Do you guys wish to say your names for me if you guys want? My name is Gerard Kennedy. I'm thankful that you guys let me into your home. I bring no ill will toward you guys. I have no fear for you guys. If you guys wish to say anything, if you guys wish to communicate, I would love to hear you guys. Did you guys live here when you guys were alive? Were you guys from around here? I've been reading your headstones. You guys have beautiful headstones. How is it nice? Is it nice at rest? Did you guys live here when you guys were alive? I noticed a nature preserve. Do you guys watch over the nature preserve? I bring no ill will toward you guys, and I'm happy to speak with you. This is a really nice plot of land you guys are in, and I'm thankful that you have your home. Are you guys at peace here? Do you guys have a nice afterlife? A nice, restful afterlife? I noticed some other graves here that might have been buried a little bit. That one. Would you say that there are any negative entrances here? I heard hell. I heard it. I don't know if that means anything. Hello. My name is Gerard once again. Can I have your guys' names? If you guys want, if you want to touch it, this will allow you guys to communicate with me. If you guys want to let me know that you guys are here, can you touch this thing? I really appreciate it if you want to. Or let me know you guys are here and want to. It's okay if you don't want to. I can't force you guys. If you want, you guys can just touch it. Ooh. But I can't force you guys. I bring no ill will. And I have no hatred. I bring no hatred. I just want to communicate with you guys. I just want to thank you guys for looking over the forest and the nature preserve, which is right over there. It's really nice that you guys care, and I thank you for it. Is this a family plot? Are you guys all one family here? Yes. What family? If you don't mind me asking, can you guys say your last name? There was a main road right there, right by the stop sign. Apologies for the noise. Do you guys wish to say anything? Or you guys want to touch? I can't force you guys. I won't force you guys. Anyway, I think this might about wrap up what I have here, guys, for now at least. Is there anything final that you guys wish to say? If there's anything that you guys wish to say, I'd appreciate it. Now would be the time to say something if you guys truly want to. Well, I'm thankful that you guys were talking with me, at least for a little bit. I really do appreciate it. Just want to thank you guys for inviting me into your home. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys. Bye. So that was the Necrophonic app. I'm just happy that I got something here. I just love hearing the voices of, you know, the dead. The dead never die. They are always with us, and they always have something to say. And I think that's just really nice that we can communicate through all realms, and it's just really cool to speak with others from different realms and get their perspective on things. I think that's really cool about what I do, and I really do enjoy it. And I'm, as always, thankful that you guys were along for the ride with me. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Obviously, if I rambled a bit, if you guys heard anything, saw anything, let me know in the comments down below. I really do appreciate it. And to close, it looks like we didn't get much with this thing, but that's the way the world goes, I suppose. That's just the way the world works. Anyway, lads, I'm gonna take off. This is Gerard with Cemetery Confessionals. Signing off, lads. Take care.